The company sent me this pizza cutter to try out, and I made a pizza on purpose that had a lot of very chunky stuff in it. And this comes in a box that is packed very well. The blade has a guard on it, so that's good. You can take this on and off. But this has a handle, it's a wooden handle, and you can just put it directly down on the pizza and cut it like that without having to rock it back and forth with one of those little pizza cutters that's going to rip everything up. I put broccoli, peppers, whole tomatoes, like sliced tomatoes, chicken. That's it on this pizza, but there's a lot of chunky stuff, and normally it would be really difficult to cut this without ripping it apart, but this is just going right through it. That's really easy. Okay, so if you're looking for a good pizza cutter, and this just came out of the oven, it's so hot. If you're looking for a good pizza cutter that's going to cut your pizzas nicely without ripping it apart, this is doing a really good job. And see how it's cutting directly through the broccoli and the tomatoes? That is a really nice cut. One more. This is the 16-inch blade. You can get this in different sizes, but I like this. This is a homemade pizza, and it's just a regular pizza pan. This cut this really easily, and that made it a lot easier than trying to, use the rolling cutter or anything like that. I would not put this in the dishwasher. It's not recommended to do that just because if you put wood in the dishwasher, it can damage it. But this is easily washed by hand, and you just have to be careful not to cut yourself. Obviously, use a sponge or something like that. Always store it with the blade guard, and I'm just going to keep the box and put it back in the box and put it in the cabinet somewhere. But this made cutting this really easy. I usually have to be careful about what I put in the center of the pizza because, when you roll the thing back and forth, it just doesn't cut well. This was really simple. And I'm actually going to cut one of these in half again because I might just have like 1.5 pieces tonight. Let's see. That was simple. Okay. I love this thing. If you're looking for a good way to cut pizza evenly without a lot of effort and to be able to cut through thick things like this is a really good option. I like this better than the rolling cutters. They tend to rip everything up, but this made really clean cuts, and it's time to eat.